Assalamu alaikum viewers, I hope you are fine and doing well. Viewers, in the last few videos I have discussed how can we integrate Facebook leads with the ASP.NET application or Microsoft Dynamic CRM or Oracle, like any application. But in this tutorial I will talk about how can we connect to Microsoft Dynamic CRM from any .NET application. All right, like to perform any operation or another words, if to integrate with Microsoft Dynamics CRM, you need to have the connectivity first. For example, you have to connect to the Microsoft Dynamics CRM, and after that, like you can perform any operation, like you can create a lead, you can create an opportunity, or even like backward integration you can do. So the first thing is to connect, and then you can perform any operation. So it's very important to first connect with the Microsoft Dynamics CRM. All right, so like we know that Microsoft Dynamics CRM is very flexible. It gives opportunity to the developer to customize, to integrate, to do a lot of things inside Microsoft Dynamics, and this is what it makes it very successful product for the big companies and big organization. So it gives or expose web services APIs to which you can connect, and then you can perform, like through object model you can perform different operations. You can create a lead, etc, etc, appointment or whatever. Sometimes like big organizations have problem of license, user license. So what they do, they create some other application front end and connect with the CRM and perform different operations, so to avoid this licensing problem or issues. Okay, so first to get the correct web service URL on in a or an API URL from where you can get it, and then we will see how can we connect from here, from the .NET application. I have this trial version of Microsoft Dynamics CRM. Look, you have to go to the settings, then you have to go to the customization. Inside customization you will see that this developer resources. Okay, so these are different APIs. This is a SOAP web service. Okay, and these are APIs endpoint. Okay, so to connect to Microsoft Dynamics CRM we need this one, organization service. This is the URL. Okay, if you have different organizational unit, there can be another backslash in the organization unit, and this will be the same. All right, so what we have to do, we have to copy this, okay, and use it in our application to communicate with Microsoft Dynamics CRM and to do different operations. Okay, and of course you will need the username and password for the admin, like the admin account. Okay, so here it is. Okay, before going to connect with Microsoft Dynamics CRM you need two libraries, which is very important. Okay, you can get it from the Google, or you can install from here, from the NuGet package manager. Go there and you can install very easily. And these two are the following. One is the Microsoft.xrm.sdk. okay, you can have it and you can add it here in the reference. The other one is proxy. Okay, so these two DLL you need to add in your project, or you can install from the NuGet package manager as a reference in this application. Now let's get to the point where we can connect to Microsoft Dynamics CRM. Okay, so here it is. Like I have created a static uh, function or a method okay, where I am passing username, password, and the organization service URI, which is a SOAP service, web service, okay, and I am returning this interface. Okay, this is the method, right? And if you can see, it is taking it from this SDK, so you have to install it, otherwise it will give you an error if you haven't installed or added this DLL Microsoft.srm.xrm.sdk. If it's not in your project, this point will give you an error. Okay, so these are the client credentials. Like you have to, for to use it, you have to add this the reference of this class. Okay, and then we have organizational service proxy. Here you have to pass the URL and the credentials you have to give the username and password for the admin account of your CRM, and then you have to perform these activities. If it gives some exception, it will come here and you can know, otherwise it will give you back this organizational service. And through, if after it is connected successfully, okay, you can perform any action. So try to make a method like this, and whenever you want to perform any operation on the Microsoft Dynamic CRM, just call it, pass these parameters, and it will give you back the service. And then on that service you can perform operation like creating a lead or blah blah blah, whatever you want. I hope you people got it. If you have any question, you can drop in the comment section, and if you want the source code, I can give you the source code as well. In the next tutorial I will teach you how can you create a lead from ASP.NET application, opportunity, appointment, etc, etc. Okay, so we are going to go step by step. First we have learn how can we connect. Okay, this is very simple. You need to DLL files or two libraries, which I have already showed you, and username, password, and this URL, which you can get from here, setting, customization, developer resources, and get it from this one. And that's it. Use here, and you are, if it does not give you any exception, you are good to go. You can play around with Microsoft Dynamic CRM from the .NET application. Okay guys, I hope I have cleared the point which I was discussing, and I have made other videos on Facebook leads integration with the Microsoft Dynamic CRM or ASP.NET application. Please go through that as well, watch those videos as well, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. And please like this video, drop a comment, and share. Thank you very much.